In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix e-commerce website. If you're ready to showcase your products online with style and functionality, then you've come to the right place. Creating an online store might seem daunting, but with Wix, it's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure you get it just right. First things first, we need to head over to the Wix website. If you haven't visited the site yet, simply open your preferred web browser and type in Wix. Once you arrive on their homepage, go ahead and log into your account or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your My Sites area, which gives you an overview of your existing sites. Here, you'll find a little arrow pointing downward. Click that arrow and it will open up a menu of options for your websites. Now, let's talk about templates. The foundation of your e-commerce website will begin with choosing the right template. In the same menu where you found the arrow, look for the option to select a template, specifically the Studio template. This is where we start bringing your e-commerce site to life. In the upper area of the template selection page, you'll notice a search bar. Type e-commerce into this search bar. This will filter the available templates to only show those that are tailored for online stores. Once you see the list of e-commerce templates before you, take a moment to browse through your options. Each template has its own unique style and layout, so find one that resonates with the brand image you want to convey. Once you've found the template that feels just right for you, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a preview of the template, giving you a closer look at how it functions and appears. After you've ensured that the design fits your vision, it's time to make it your own. By clicking Add to Site, this template is loaded into your Wix workspace. This is where the real fun begins. Customization. With the drag and drop features that Wix offers, you have the freedom to change text, images, colors, fonts, and even add new pages or features to suit your specific needs. Don't hesitate to experiment and make adjustments until everything aligns with your brand. Once you're completely satisfied with how your website looks and functions, there's just one more step to bring it all to life. Head on over to the top right corner of the workspace and click Publish. With this, your e-commerce website will be live on the internet, ready to attract and engage customers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Wix e-commerce website. With a professional and visually appealing online store, you can now reach a wider audience and grow your business. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!